How to install Unbox microdermabrasion machine. Install the handle holder. Place the microdermabrasion handle, diamond head, glass tube, and spray bottle into the holder. How to install diamond tip. Check the microdermabrasion handle for the pre-installed black rubber ring. If it's missing or damaged, replace it. Insert a piece of filter cotton into the microdermabrasion tip. Then attach it to the microdermabrasion handle. Connect one end of the hose to the microdermabrasion handle. And the opposite end to the suction port. Connect the power cord and turn on the machine. Adjust the suction intensity according to your personal tolerance. Test the suction on your arm first. How to install glass tube. The suction port is also compatible with the glass tube. To use the glass tube, simply replace the microdermabrasion handle with the glass tube. Turn on the machine. Adjust the suction intensity according to your personal tolerance. When using glass tube, you need to press the small holes on the glass tube to prevent suction leakage. How to install spray bottle. To use the spray bottle, disconnect the hose from the suction port. Connect it to the release port, and attach the opposite end to the spray bottle. Turn on the machine. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cord.